Hi, welcome to another ecosports adventure. This time it's going to be a weekend at Manly. We're going to walk from the Spit Bridge to Manly and the next day walk around Manly Dam. So just crossing the noisy Spit Bridge to start the Spit Bridge to Manly walk. So it's pretty chilly for a summer's day today. Top temperature is going to be about 24 degrees. Got beautiful views of all the yachts behind me. Beautiful apart from the rubbish stuck there. This tree is a water gum. Haven't heard of that type of gum before. Just amazing how the roots have just gone all the way through the rock. I actually don't mind, it's a bit cloudy and overcast. Makes for more comfortable walking. So that's a Spit Bridge ahead where we started from. It's good to see a recycling bin. Unfortunately we can't stop at the coffee shop, we've got to keep going. It's good they've got pollutant traps here, so it's going to deal with storm water, trap all contaminants and rubbish from the storm water before it gets to the ocean. So we've got some beach walking now, which is pretty cool.
Wow, so how did they get down to that beach? There must be lots of steps.
Walk down.
Yeah, lots of steps. Right. Sorry, it's nice. Just wish I had a water dragon.
Looks like a bearded water dragon maybe. Oh.
There we go.
Cool morning tea spot here. I can see one fish there.
Smaller fishes. This long bit here is the kangaroo, maybe feet and tail down here.
Maybe.
And its back goes up and down.
Yeah, there's a big fish there, and I wonder if the small fish is in the, yeah, it's in the fish's tummy, I think, the small fish.
More flannel flowers.
Is that the flannel flower?
Yep.
Oh, is that?
Just so many views along this walk, it's just absolutely amazing. There's a Sydney CBD straight ahead out there. Some Banksia flowers here.
Yeah.
Got ocean views if they are.
So someone's living
Yeah. Or like it's their holiday home.
A nice magpie.
healthy. You're healthy.
So that's Manly dead ahead, our destination. Done 6.5 k's now at 40 Baskets Beach. Probably a bit over halfway there now. Only 2 k's to go. Just hope it's not all uphill. He sold one like that. Oh
Yeah.
no.
Don't have flower though, but yeah, sold it. Hey. So I can't wait with mine flower like that. It's beautiful. Look at the red leaves over there.
So it's a bit disappointing seeing rubbish floating in the ocean here. Wish people wouldn't litter. It's a really good idea. The community can clear up the area and make it more beautiful. Watch out for penguins. So we're almost there. There's Manly ahead with the Manly ferry there too. Good to have some bike racks here. Good to have a water fountain too. Cool seeing a lot of bike racks here. This is a nice end to today's walk. Salted caramel and rum and raisin. Yum!
In the water, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Made it to Manly Beach, and there's a surfing competition here, so I might as well check it out.
Immortals don't come down as heroes. Australian sporting icons.
Whatever board it is for, it'll be the right one for you. Well, the little man on a big board, Corey, you're on. 8-0 for you.
So if you're swimming in Australian Patrol Beach, don't forget to swim between the flags. That's a safe area.
There's a poser, isn't it? Poser, is that?
So this Cabbage Tree Bay, 20 years ago they stopped people fishing here, and now it's all come back to life. You can snorkel here and see all the different fish. Welcome to the walk on Sunday. We're at beautiful Manly Dam. So it's a little bit of a distance from Manly Beach. Best to drive there, or you can get a bus to come close to here.
I'll have to put a floaty in there.
So there is a separate walking trail and mountain bike trail. So the mountain bike trail is a bit longer than the walk. Walk's about 7 kilometres. So it's a really good place here. Lots of facilities for different people to do different things. It's really pleasant and shaded at the moment. You can hear the cicadas in the background. The sound of an Australian summer. Nice banksia flower there. Nicely carved sandstone steps here.
What are we looking at?
Tree just growing out of the rock.
Yes, yes.
This one here with the open one.
Oh yeah, that one too. Oh yeah.
Beautiful mossy rocks here. Waterfall here, so beautiful. It's almost hot enough to go swimming, but not quite. Oh, it's getting muddier.
Oh.
It's crying.
Crime scene.
And it's not gooey, it's quite hard.
Sticky or anything.
Almost nice enough to go swimming. Oh, it's just beautiful here. This bit's a bit bumpy on a bike though. Put your brakes on down this bit.
Another interesting bird up there. Who's that today?
I know, I find a lot.
I'm sure it's not that clean.
This section's more open, more of a wider trail. So we're on our home stretch now, on the way back to the starting point. Yep. We're on the home stretch now.
Oh, that was the battle. Here we go.
We're on the opposite side of the dam now, on the home stretch. It's only about 6 kilometres, a little bit longer.
So behind you, isn't it?
Yeah. So we're up to the 8 kilometre mark now, almost back to the starting point.
Now we're here.
Smile. It's a nice ending to the walk, finally making it across the dam. And do plenty of activities, kayaking, canoeing, swimming, whatever. There's a few more people here back at the start, so it's about 8 kilometres. Nice walk, a bit muddy in sections, but definitely worth doing. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching and see you next time.
Well, either way, caught on the peg, but both of them are 6'6". I think it's the beast.